Have you ever tried creating an AI music video? If you have, you already know how frustrating it can be. You need dozens of prompts, hours of editing, and somehow your character still changes in every scene. But what if one AI tool could generate an entire cinematic music video with the same artist, realistic lip sync, and a complete storyline, all from a single prompt? That sounds almost too good to be true. So today, I'm putting OneMoreShot AI to the ultimate test. Before I show you how I made it, take a look at the final result.
Blood on the velvet, grease in the gears, traded my innocence early for fears. Vippers were dining right at my...
Pretty impressive, right? Normally, creating something like this means generating dozens of short clips, trying to keep the same character in every scene, fixing broken lip sync, and spending hours editing everything together. That's exactly why OneMoreShot AI caught my attention. It claims to generate an entire music video in one shot, and if you don't like one scene, you can regenerate only that part. So let's see how it works. To create an AI music video, the first step is generating a great song. For that, I'll be using Gemini. As you can see, I've already opened it and pasted my master prompt. This prompt acts like a professional music director. It doesn't just write the lyrics, it also guides the AI with emotions, background music, and scene directions to create a complete cinematic song. And don't worry, I'll leave the link to this master prompt in the comments below. Now I'll click submit, and within a few seconds, Gemini generates 2 song options. You can choose either one, but I'll go with the first because it matches my vision perfectly. As you can see, Gemini has generated everything we need: the song title, style, intro, and complete lyrics. Now it's time to turn those lyrics into a real song using Suno AI. I've already opened Suno AI, and as you can see, creators are making some incredible music with it. I'll click the create button, then copy the lyrics from Gemini and paste them into the lyrics section. Next, I'll copy the style from Gemini and paste it into the style field. After that, I'll open more options, set the vocal gender to male, and click create. Within a few seconds, Suno AI generates 4 versions of the same song. The last 2 versions use its premium models and are available to paid users, while the first 2 are generated with the free model and are available to everyone. They all sound great, but I'll download the first one. To download it, click the 3 dots and select Download as MP3. Before we move on, there's one important thing to know. Suno AI's commercial usage rights are only available to paid subscribers. Since I'm using the free plan, I'll click Download anyway. If you plan to use your songs commercially, make sure you review Suno AI's licensing terms and choose the plan that fits your needs. Now that the song is downloaded, the next step is to generate the singer who will perform it. I'll head back to Gemini and paste another prompt. Within a few seconds, Gemini creates the perfect singer that matches the style of our song. To keep the singer consistent throughout the entire music video, we'll also need a character sheet. So I'll submit one more prompt, and Gemini generates a detailed character sheet for the exact same singer. Finally, I'll download both the character sheet and the singer image to my desktop because we'll use them in the next step. Okay, now that we have the song and singer ready, it's time for the most important step: generating a complete music video with the same singer and perfect lip sync. Now I'll search for OneMoreShot AI, where the real magic happens. I'll click on the first link, and on the next page, I'll quickly log into OneMoreShot AI. And here we are on the home page of OneMoreShot AI. If I click on Content Studio, you can see that other creators have already generated some amazing, ultra-realistic music videos. Okay, now to generate the music video, I'll click on Music Videos. On the next page, under the Projects section, I'll click Create New Project. Here you'll see 2 options: Auto Video and Advanced Project. Auto Video is perfect for beginners because the AI handles everything for you, from cinematic camera movements and ultra-realistic visuals to lip sync, singer emotions, and scene direction. With Advanced Project, you'll have full control over every aspect of the video, making it ideal for users who want to customize everything manually. For this tutorial, I'll choose Auto Video. The next step is to upload the song we generated with Suno AI. I'll simply drag and drop the song to start the upload. As you can see, it's now uploading. I'll also set the song duration to 2 minutes. You can also paste the Suno AI song link here to import it directly into OneMoreShot AI. Once the upload is complete, I'll click Continue. The next step is creating the singer for our music video. I'll click Create, give the singer a name, Damian Ash, then upload the singer image followed by the character sheet. Now that both images are uploaded, you can choose between the realistic and illustrated styles. I'll stick with realistic, then click Generate Preview. It takes about a minute to generate a unique singer that stays consistent throughout the entire music video. As you can see, the result looks great. If you're not satisfied with it, you can always regenerate a new preview. Once you're happy with the result, click Save, then click Save again. Our singer is now ready. As you can see, you also have the option to add additional characters that can appear alongside the singer. For this tutorial, I'll click Continue. On the next page, you'll need to describe your music video, including the singer's outfit, location, storyline, and any other details you want the AI to follow. If you're not sure what to write, simply click the AI Suggest button. As you can see, with a single click, the AI automatically generates a complete description for the video. The next step is choosing the style of your music video. You can select from realistic, 90s anime, and many other styles. I'll stick with realistic. After that, choose the video format. You can generate the video in either horizontal or vertical format. I'll choose horizontal, then click Continue. Finally, click Start Generation. OneMoreShot AI will analyze your song, singer, and video description, then take about an hour to generate a complete cinematic music video with ultra-realistic lip sync and stunning scenes. Okay, now as you can see, our music video has been generated. Let's open it and take a look.
They thought the fire could...
The result already looks impressive. But don't stop here, because OneMoreShot AI includes some powerful editing tools that can make your music video even better. If I click Continue, you can see all the frames used to create this music video. If you want to edit any of them, simply upload or drag a reference image and choose one of the advanced image generation models, such as Nano Banana Pro, GPT Image 2, or other powerful AI models. Since I'm happy with these scenes, I'll leave them as they are. You can also view every shot generated for the music video. Feel free to review them one by one. If there's any shot you don't like, just right-click on it and select Recreate. As you can see, this gives you complete control over that scene. You can regenerate it using advanced AI video models like Cdance 2.0, Kling, and many more. You can also adjust the clip duration or simply select the specific clip you want to edit. This makes it easy to fine-tune individual scenes without having to regenerate the entire music video. Next, I'll click on the Advanced button and select the 1080p resolution. Then I'll enable both Generate Audio and Lip Sync. After that, I'll replace the default prompt with my own custom prompt and click Generate. Within a few minutes, our enhanced video is ready. Let's play it and check out the final result.
They thought the fire consumed the throne. They thought I'd die out here alone. Look at me now. Blood on the velvet, greasing the gears. Traded my innocence early for fears. Vippers were dining right at my own table, rewriting my story to call it a fable. I sat in the silence, I counted the scars. Locked in the prison, the shadow and stars. Taught myself patience while cutting the ropes. Burying dreams on the graveyard of hopes. Now every footstep is measured in cold. The boy that they broke is now growing too old. I hear the sirens call name from the dark. Striking the flint till I reignite the spark. Forgive all the ghosts, but I never forget. The ledger is heavy, collecting the debt. I built an empire out of the pain, standing alone in the shadow and rain. Let the sky shatter and bleed through the floor. I'm not the victim you knew anymore. Lay the stars, proud like a crown made of ash. Rise from the ruins and welcome the crash. With the vengeance, no mercy, no truce. Cutting the strings while you step in the noose. Look at the venom you poured in my cup. I swallowed the poison and used it to rise up. Faster and deadlier, double the pace. Erase every footprint they left in this place. Thought I was buried under 6 feet of stone. I dug through the dirt just to take back my throne. Is this the monster you wanted to see? Or just the reflection of what you made me? The fire has burned down to embers and dust, and shadows and silence is all I can trust. I built an empire out of the pain, standing alone in the shadow and rain. Let the sky shatter and bleed through the...
As you can see, the complete 2-minute music video looks absolutely incredible. The realism, lip sync, cinematography, and overall quality are on another level. This is exactly what makes OneMoreShot AI stand out from other AI music video generators. Okay, now our music video is ready to export. As you can see, I'll click the export button and then select Assemble Video. The video will now start assembling, and within a few seconds, it's ready to download. Finally, I'll click Download, and the download will begin. That's it. Your cinematic AI music video is now ready to watch, share, or edit further if needed. If you'd like to try OneMoreShot AI for yourself, you'll find the link in the description below. Check it out and start creating your own cinematic AI music videos with amazing results. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more AI tutorials like this. Your support really helps and motivates me to create more videos.